Meaning of epitaph.
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 Epitaph. The word epitaph refers to a short text honoring a deceased person that is inscribed on their tombstone or memorial. It usually includes the person's name, dates of birth and death, and a brief statement about their life, achievements, or character. Epitaphs are often written in a poetic or uplifting style and are meant to provide comfort or solace to mourners. They can also serve as a way to perpetuate the memory of the deceased and their legacy. Overall, epitaphs play an important role in preserving the memory of loved ones who have passed away.